Expect the one, yeah. The one mad, the one sick, the one man. Am I dreaming? I want to go on a dancer right now. Am I dreaming? I want to go on a dancer right now. You people, let me know what I'm going, cause it's like everything when we want to see I'm going. You see me as far as collaborations. You see me as far as people linking up and people teaming up. Wow, this man, this people who don't know what I'm talking about by now. Who don't know what I'm talking about by now. Who don't see the screen, who don't see the title, who don't see what I'm going. How I'm going in a dancer right now. The place mad, the place sick. I just love it. I love to see what I'm going in a dancer right now. I love to see the collaborations. I like to see people working together for better the genre, for better the music, for better the culture. I love it. You see me? And one of those great examples. This was something I was not expecting. You see me? At least not this soon. Something that I wanted to see happen, but I wasn't expecting to see it this soon. Me not lie. You see me? So whosoever the manager them want work and I make them thing happen, who not do nothing. Cause at this me want to see. Yeah man, people don't see from the title what deal with today. Yeah man, too. A mad collaboration. Go on. People saying it to me and I have to react to it. You see me? So I didn't expect it so soon. You see me? I didn't want it to happen. I'm glad it happened, but I didn't expect it soon. So good job. Yeah man, this is people. Skeng and Kraff people. You see me on the same track. They link up and then collab. Yo, go on. This mad. You see me? And the title is Shottaz. Come on, man. Come on. Only appropriate, man. Skeng and Kraff. Shottaz. People, this is what I check out today. You see me? The dog then link up and make a mad track. Everybody reacting to it. You see me? Appearing little new number. So we have to check it out. Come on, man. When you see my drop every day, no? I'm here, man. Yeah, man. People, you don't know. We're not going to waste no time. You see me? You already know what time it is. Hit that like and subscribe. But we're jumping on this. That's Skeng and Kraff. Shottaz. Let's get it. Come on, man.
So wait, how much money you think that truck man they make?
You know me no sell bigs. Go ask him no.
Yes, hey. If you don't know where this come from on the last, you're not cultured. If you don't know where this song, this scene, this remake from, y'all not cultured. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Oh, then no.
So boss, how much money you make for this?
Yeah. Yes.
About 30 grand. 100.
You correct, yeah.
So you have so much money and
Dear 100 grand a day. Easy man.
I can't go find it.
Gun?
Yeah.
Don't need no gun youth man. I don't fear nothing nor no one.
Oh man.
After this time, me get to you say your heart today, brother. You see me have your but they have to be smart now this blower. But not fist fight again, man, sir.
Alright.
Hey, Jab Tap. Yo, Jiggy.
Boy, look at that, they pull up, man.
Wait
a man. What you down there? What you talk? Stop. Easy.
I've tell him I'm midnight, so my head split tight up. Talk up a place like that, I'm boy, look up. Don't fuck with trouble, get fuck up. Everything mush, block up and puzzle.
How they test not checkers are late full of
Come in, man. Yo, dog. Yo, don't trouble get. Hey, be yourself.
and very cheap like Becca make it sing like Tessa. Don't talk to the West and please check like them and motor shot in the weapon.
You know now till the breeze start. We being mad, Skeng boy, they hear that people me.
Nah, man, we can't play that one time, man. We can't play that one time, man. I have to take this from the top. Come in, man. How would them deal with? Hey, Kraff done, Skeng done. I want to them. Come on, man. We'll take that from the top, people. Skeng, Kraff, Shottaz. Let's get it.
So wait, how much money you think that truck man they make?
You know me no sell bigs. Go ask him no.
Ask him no. Ask him boy now, how much I make? In chat boy. Wait, come here, man.
So boss, how much money you make a day?
Really? Yes.
About 30 grand. 100?
You correct, you know.
So yeah, so much money I know I can't go and find it.
Yeah. That's money and get a gun pan, but I feel like.
Gun?
Yeah.
Don't need no gun, youth, man. I don't fear nothing nor no one.
Well, me understand that, me G, you still have to protect yourself. You can't be no fool out here. You see me? We not fear nobody, you know.
Alright.
Hey. Still have to have it. Boy, dog, them pull up clean. Bumbo clean. Easy, now, man.
Hey,
Old
chapter.
school.
Yeah.
Pow,
A jiggity. Wait there.
Wait there.
Kraff tell him a midnight something head split tight open. Talk up the place
Midnight sitting. Midnight something head split right open.
like that I'm boy look up. Don't fuck with trouble get fuck up. Everything mush, block up and bust up.
Don't fuck with trouble, get fuck up. Be yourself.
I the chestnut checkers are lead full of felon very cheap like Becca make it sing like Tessa. Don't talk to the west and
A chestnut checkers at least full of felon. I want to them. Hey, be yourself.
he's checker like them and motor shot in a the weapon.
You know not till the breeze start. We be mad Skeng boy they a hear that people me shot. Pull him up in a make up go and go make start. And in the crime me a step on detrimental not.
Any crime me a step on detrimental. I don't know hear that. Come in, be yourself. Come in.
Side our badness presidential. Spaniard out there to the extravagant wear man. Yeah, no.
Shatter man.
Our plan.
How are the plan, how are the pre? Say them by them just a feel. Say them a done but me not see. Them have a strap but that a me boy for this me be not sleep. Baby them
Say them bad and just a fail. Say them a, hey, come in.
I just a tea, that lady breast them pan a feed. Step alone and in a team, beat the case until it's steam. Skin a peel but and a cream, switch it there with the beam. Shot
Step alone and in a team beat the cameras on this team. I'm team.
take you out a dream, you hear the boss of that me mean.
You knock it till the breeze start. We be mad Skeng boy they a hear that people me shot. Pull him up in a make up go and go make start. And in the crime me a step on detrimental now.
Come in, yo, people, it's mad. I want to no man beat it. Hey, come in, yo, this what me I talk about. Me love the collaboration. This one have to go on with the music. You see me the feel of this right there, so Kraff. Wanna make a wicked team. You see me hopefully. Yo, this are mad. This I hate people. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, bro. This, yo, hopefully me want to see Kraff get themes tuned to, you know, that, cause you see me Skeng, you get one, me see if it's tune link up and see Kraff get theme tune to that.
Outside our badness presidential. Spaniard out there to the extravagant wear man.
That my reenact scene from Shottaz though with the two you them.
Yeah, no. Our plan.
It's Officer Ling again.
People is mad people. People is mad people. What y'all think about this? What do you think about the song and the whole, the reenactment, the cinematography? Let me know what y'all think about this one.
Detective Len, none of those seven bodies not identified as my friend Wayne Smith.
I want to plan out for that made nut till the pussy don't forgot my boy gun, my boy shot. Wrap them in the body bag, take his soul and no chat. It's a clap and a hand, simple thing for mad smart.
shot a gal and shot a man, mount a copper shot we have. Head mad, check his scan, rise the cake and keep on this.
Shut a girl and shut a man mouth a copper shot we have. No get partial, brother.
16 phenomenon, fling gas in on his hand. Sight him.
Young knock it till the breeze start. We be mad Skeng boy they a hear that people me shot. Full him up in a make up go and go make start. And in the crime me a step
Till the breeze dog head mad. Hey boy, come in.
on detrimental. Outside our badness presidential. Spaniard out there to the extravagant wear man.
The Spaniard and we deal with extravagant. Come in, man.
Yeah, no. Our plan.
How are the plan? How are the plan? How are the pray? Shut up man, no we no man.
No.
All them girl too. I'm scared.
No, we no man. All him girl too easy, no Kraff.
Detective Len, this is Patrick Anderson, MP.
Yeah.
We have a common problem.
Yeah,
His
man.
name is Wayne Smith.
I'm on that bad people. Real dope track. Only thing about the one there. The one there mad. Skeng and Kraff, Shottaz. Yeah man, appropriately name, you see me? I like that. Two of them collab up and this is the first track they dropped. The song Shottaz, dope track, and they paying homage to one of Jamaica's most known and most famous one of the movies, Shottaz. Yeah man. This bad people. Yeah man. Yo. Should we give them a clap? Clap them man. And do them thing, man. Yeah man, people we know nothing about this night comment section. Definitely drop no comments, drop no likes, drop the emojis. Definitely go show the artists some love and support. Let's see me say Jambisco dance. I don't know. I think set people. Yeah man, this mad. I love how dance are going. I'm loving seeing the collaborations. You see me? Yeah, and people teaming up, working together. There, top of the segregation, top of this camp versus that camp, this artist versus this artist, producer, and top of all that man. Link up, put in good work, make good music, move the culture and the music forward, and that's what we're there for, right? Yeah man. I love seeing it. Definitely real dope track. Skeng, Kraff, Shottaz, people definitely go check it out. Show us some them solo and support. Make you know so Jambisco. Send you. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what y'all may react to next and I'll get it done. You already know what time it is. It's the boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and smash and a banger. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.